How to detox from sugar, a step-by-step guide. Welcome back to the Fast Vegan. Today, we're diving into the world of sugar detoxes. Reducing sugar consumption has numerous health benefits, and it's essential for successful weight management. Let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to detox from sugar and make healthier choices. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. 1. Understand the different types of sugar. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the different types of sugar. There are natural sugars, like those found in fruits and some dairy products, and added sugars found in processed foods. According to the American Heart Association, the recommended daily sugar intake is 6 teaspoons for women and 9 teaspoons for men. 2. Read food labels. Reading food labels will help you identify and avoid products with added sugars. Look for words like sucrose, glucose, fructose, maltose, and dextrose on ingredient lists. Also be mindful of healthy alternatives like agave nectar, honey, and maple syrup. 3. Gradually reduce sugar intake. A sudden and drastic reduction in sugar intake may lead to withdrawal symptoms. Instead, the Mayo Clinic suggests gradually reducing your sugar consumption over a few weeks. This will help your body adjust and minimize cravings. 4. Replace sugary drinks with water. Sugary drinks are a significant source of added sugars. Replace them with water, herbal teas, or other unsweetened beverages to cut down on your sugar intake. 5. Opt for whole foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are naturally low in added sugars. Incorporate these foods into your diet to help minimize your sugar intake and keep you feeling satisfied. 6. Manage cravings with healthy alternatives. When a sugar craving hits, opt for healthier alternatives like fruit, yogurt, or a small piece of dark chocolate. Over time, your taste buds will adjust, and you'll find these alternatives more satisfying. 7. Get support. A support system can make a significant difference in your sugar detox journey. Share your goals with friends, family, or join a support group to help you stay accountable and motivated. Detoxing from sugar is an essential step towards better health and weight loss. By understanding different types of sugars, reading food labels, and making healthier food choices, you'll be well on your way to a successful sugar detox. Remember, consistency is key, and it's essential to make sustainable changes in your diet. Thank you for joining us on The Fast Vegan. Don't forget to visit thefastveganbrand.com for more helpful tips and resources. See you in the next video.